Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 1 of our first narrative unit. You should be watching this on Tuesday the 14th of April. Our learning objective today is, can I explore new vocabulary? And our new core text is called The Bad-Tempered Ladybird, and it's by the author Eric Carle. You may have read this text before, or you may have read something else by Eric Carle. Have a think about what that text could be. So let's have a look at the front cover first of all. I can see a ladybird who's looking particularly annoyed. Here are some questions for you to think about. Number 1. How does the ladybird feel? And how do you know? Number 2. What does bad-tempered mean? Number 3. Can you think of a time when you have felt bad-tempered? Oh, I surely can. And number 4, why might the ladybird be feeling this way? You might like to pause the video now and have a think about these questions. And if you'd like to write down your answers, that's fine. Okay, so next, I've thought about those words bad-tempered, and I've started to write some synonyms for those words. Or perhaps you might like to say words that mean the same thing. So I've written sad, angry, frustrated, and impatient. Maybe you can think of some other words that we could add. You might like to pause the video now and write down some ideas of your own. Can you think of some more synonyms for the words bad-tempered? For our second task, we're going to be thinking about those words bad-tempered and putting them into this diagram. So as you can see, I've got our new vocab here, bad-tempered. In this section, you're going to be writing a definition, or perhaps that will be what the word means. Down here, there's room for you to write a sentence, and over here, there's room for you to draw a picture. You might decide to do this on a piece of paper and divide it into 4. Now, if we were in class, I would always demonstrate this and show you an example of one that I've done. So I thought I'd have a go at doing this at home. Let's see if it works. Excellent. So you can see in the top left-hand corner, I've got the words bad-tempered. Next to it, I've written the definition, and this is just one that I thought of myself. So I've written feeling irritable or down in the dumps. That's a great expression, isn't it? In this corner, I've written a sentence with the words bad-tempered in it. It says, the bad-tempered teacher stayed at home in her flat. I wonder who that could be about. And just here, I've drawn my pictures. Now, you know that I'm not the best artist, Year 1, but I've done my best. So I've got somebody feeling quite bad-tempered here, you can see by her expression. I've drawn somebody clenching their fists, they're feeling quite angry or bad-tempered. Perhaps they're stomping their foot, feeling very cross. And sometimes when you're feeling bad-tempered, children, you might feel that you've got sort of like a cloud over your head all day and that it's raining and everything's a bit grey and grizzly, so I've drawn that over there. And over here, I've drawn sort of the opposite of bad-tempered. I've got lots of friends feeling quite happy and pleased, and then somebody over here feeling bad-tempered. Children, I'm really looking forward to seeing your work and seeing your examples of the words bad-tempered. Don't forget to upload your work to Class Dojo so that I can have a look. I'm really looking forward to seeing your examples. See you soon, everybody.